By the way, if you didn't think the gloves were cool enough, they are also waterproof and wind resistant. Look at that, guys. Absolutely amazing. Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing ski gloves, but they are multiple use. Hand wash, do not tumble dry. Oh, they're nice looking. Wow. Check these out. So right away we could see how stylish they are, how nice they are. As you guys can see, you get a zipper, so you can put stuff inside here. Both gloves have that. They also have a connector, so you can connect them to each other. Press the button to release. You can make it tight with this strap right here. Also, once your hand's inside, you can also make it tighter like that as well. That way, around your wrist, it's nice and tight. These are really nice. They're soft. You can definitely tell something's made with high quality when you actually, feel it and hold it in your hand. Looks like another strap so you don't lose your glove. So what you would do for this strap is place your hand inside like this, and then you go ahead. Oh, wow. They are so soft. Oh, they are so soft. Absolutely amazing. And they fit so good. These are going to be great for snowmobiling, skiing, ATV, dirt biking, off-roading, working outside, shoveling snow, going for walks. Wow. Absolutely nice. The crazy thing about these is you look at them and you think, wow, they must be heavy and bulky. But the funny thing is, it's actually really soft, and it's made with 3M insulation. So it's soft, but they're really lightweight. I mean, they have almost no weight at all, but yet they're so soft and they're so warm. Wow. So let's go ahead and test out one of the big features that I was really excited for is the touch screen. So as you guys can see, the touch screen actually works. That is really nice. So it's not your thumb, but the touch screen works for your finger. Let's see if all fingers work. No, so it's just your regular finger, which is, what everyone would use anyway for looking at something. That is awesome, guys. Touch screen feature works great. Awesome. Let's check this out. Let's check out the little pocket here to hold items. Let's see if we can hold this knife. Oh, no problem. Just like that. Let's see if we could really feel it. No, you don't really feel it that much either. Super cool, man. They're easy to put on and take off. I mean, look at this. You just simply pull right out. It's so nice. And it's tight already. But you can also then adjust the strap. So if you're really doing something that's activity, you don't want it to be loose, then you can make this tight by pulling on this. So as you guys can see here, you just pull this string and now it is tight. And then what you do is you press this to release it. Go ahead and thread it through, pull it out, and it's nice and open. Your hand comes right out. Oh, by the way, if you didn't think the gloves were cool enough, they are also waterproof and wind resistant. Look at that, guys. Absolutely amazing.